name is Darryl Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedopot. Well, all you do is take your plants and your seeds, put them in the planter, and let them grow your food for you. All you do is put your seeds in and put your plants in, and it grows it for you. All I do is put my seeds and my plants in this Torpedopot, and it grows, and I don't have to grow my food anymore. I don't have to grow my plants anymore. It grows it so well. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darryl Addison. I'm the founder and owner of a growing system called Torpedopots. There's approximately 30 planters that are growing in each planter 70 pea seeds. That's 560 pods. 560 pods and 24 inches. That is a world record. Torpedopot grows your food when nothing else does. All you do is put your seeds in a planter, put your plants in a planter, and they grow your food for you.
Yes, my name is Kwesi, and I'm here to learn new ways of planting. As you can see, I'm enjoying harvesting here.
The whole goal behind the Torpedopot, creating the Torpedopot, was to allow you and your family to experience the wealth there is and the beauty that there is in growing food.
You can actually smell. You can actually smell the beans. That it has. You can smell that it has some nutrients.